I'm starting a new piece. This is also a period piece about 1800, and the original is located in the Metropolitan Museum in New York. I found this in a reference Masterpieces of Furniture by Verna Cook Solomonsky. I like that book, and I've done several pieces from it. Now, the drawing that in that book is only for one, the largest of the nested tables. And so in SketchUp, I recreated the model and the detailing of joinery and so on that you don't see in the reference. And then I also modeled up the other three nested tables that are of smaller size. Now, I've started with the columns, and these are very much Greek architecture, column architecture, and I've compared this column with an ancient Doric column structure, and I've placed this column for this nested table. Of course, it's very much longer, but I've made the diameters equal in all of these. Well, I made them all a 1 meter diameter, and that in ancient architecture that's used as a reference for proportions of different other parts, sizing different other parts. So I've made this 1 meter as well, and I've brought the top of this, the top piece here, down to line up with the entablature in the ancient Greek column here. And you can see that the pedestal size and the taper of the column, even the upper part here, takes on a very similar structure to the ancient architecture. And I understand that the Adam brothers designed this piece of furniture, and they were very much neoclassical in their design, using these ancient types of shapes and proportions. As you can see on the workbench, I've started the construction with the columns in mahogany. There are some interesting and tricky parts in building this piece, and I will plan to create additional videos of my progress.